Now for the fun part of Sweet Home Alabama, the riff, all right? So it'll end up sounding like this. Like that, okay? But we're gonna start off without the pick and just work on this muted. We're gonna go from our D string, anchor on the pinky on your pick guard here, or just on the guitar, and you have your thumb on D and these two on here, and your thumb is gonna move down to A and to E at different points, okay? But keep these on B and G. So it'll start off with D, D, B, G, B, okay? So you wanna do that a bunch of times to get that part A down. D, D, B, G, B. D, D, B, G, B. D, D, B, G, B, D, D, B, G, B, D, D, B, G, B. Okay, so back and forth, 2 Ds, and then back and forth, starting with the 2, 1, 2. Then you're gonna move your thumb down to A for part B, the next section. A, B, G, B. Still the B, G, B here, but with A, 2 times here. A, B, G, B. All right? Then you wanna put those parts together, part A and part B. So we start with D, 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 B, G, B, A, B, G, B. All right, and then pause the video, do that as many times as you need to until we go to the next part. Part A, D, D, B, G, B. Part B, A, B, G, B. Part C, E, B, hold, hold, okay? And the last part is A, D, D, all right? So once you have all 4 parts down, it'll sound like this. D, D, B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, A, D, 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 B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, A, D, D. So hopefully you have that written down. If not, copy it down perfectly. D, D, B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, A, D, 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 B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, A, D, D. All right? So, if you've got that part, then you're ready to add your left hand part. What you're gonna do is put finger 3 here on the 3rd fret on the B string, and your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, okay? And you're gonna put your 3rd finger up here on the A string, so you're ready for that, okay? And you're gonna start with, let's see if you can see me, okay? You've got D, D, B, G, B. Then you move your thumb down to A, and you're picking your first finger up here, B, G, B. Move your 2nd finger down to E, B, hold, hold, A hammer, D hammer, D hammer, but with no pick, D, D, B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, hammer, hammer, lift, and hammer, D, D, B, G, B, A, B, G, B, E, B, hold, hold, hammer, hammer, so you lift but pluck, but just hammer on the A. See how you can make it sound without even plucking if you hammer hard enough? So that's what you'll work on. If you have any questions, just contact me or go back to that part of the video.